welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I am looking at a new set of 2025 cars from the Formula One season that Bburago has released at my local stores, and I have been able to pick up. So it's not the full set, it's only the Ferraris, Red Bull, Mercedes and McLaren. I've yet to see the other cars. Now last year we got Alpine and the Aston Martins as well. Haven't been able to find those new on a shelf, but we'll get there, and when we get those we'll actually make another video. I am going to open all these. We'll put them on a turntable as well so you can have a closer look at what detail you get on them. But I'm actually going to open all of these. I do display mine open. Actually, let's have a look. We've got Lewis Hamilton on one side and Charles Leclerc on the other, with a background with these guys in. Actually, that's really difficult to see in that light. We'll take it out. On the back, without the number, but it's a Ferrari official product. And I do want to keep this fairly good condition, so let's just pry it. Thank you. Because I will keep my box for later in case I use the box and or display. So a blue background on this particular one. HP advertising, Ray-Ban, all the rest. Now we do have a small Phillips head screw, which I have a bunch of small screwdrivers here that should do the job. It's on nice and tight. Small plastic stand. We'll keep that. Put that away in a second. Darker red than the previous years. Yep, okay. A lot of detail. Happy with that. First one I've got with Lewis Hamilton in the Ferrari. Hard to see that detail at the back though. We've got the IBM and V-Power on the wing. Non-driver version obviously, and underneath you still got your aerodynamics, very similar to last year. Only SF25 now written there. Yep, that's pretty good. Let's get the previous box out of the way. I will keep those boxes. Now I can't imagine there's going to be too much difference with, yeah, same packaging on the outside. Leclerc one side, Hamilton the other, but we are running number 16 now. This time I'll use this. Slide it out. Identical to the other one, which you would expect. I'll get these on my new display units when I get them up on the wall. Same, only with 16. Now this is probably about the 8th or 10th Charles Leclerc Ferrari that I've been able to pick up in Bburago sets, because there's been lots of different variants of his. I have noticed. Let's see if we can put those down the back there. Again, packaging away. Could potentially use that packaging for some sort of display at the back with the names and stuff. Now this is Sonoda 22. This is a new one. All the others I've had in the Bburago at least have been Perez from previous years, of course. But now we have the Sonoda. Thank you. Alright, definitely a different sponsorship. Yellow background. Obviously Max on one side and Sonoda on the other. Kind of like they have done for the last few years as well. Actually, we'll take this one off straight away. Have a bit of a closer look. Can't lose the screw. Not really the easiest to display these, I think, in their boxes. All that background, this, even the Hot Wheels Premium have got a nice plastic stand to put them on. But these aren't the premium ones. But in Australia, they're 15 Australian dollars at my local Kmart, which is a hefty investment when you get them all at one time. But I am a big collector of this type of 143 scale Formula Ones. Same again with car number 1. The last time we'll see this Red Bull with number 1 on it, I would say. We'll see. I don't know. Anything can happen. But I would say it's probably the last time. Be number 3 again. Now that Daniel Ricciardo has given up his number for Max, who wanted it. So Max is going to run number 3 for 2026, I believe, onwards. Disappointing because DR3 was definitely a signature of Daniel's. But you can still have that. Yeah, number 1. Details are all there. You got the carbon fiber look to it there. It's usually a blue, but this actually looks more black. Come to think of it, I think that is black. Rather than your blue, oh, there's a tinge of blue in it. There we go. Give it some good light. Very good. All right, on to Mercedes. We have Russell on one side and Antonelli on the other with some official merch hologram. This one's on the side instead of underneath. We are running car number 12, so Antonelli. The guys are in the background as well. We'll go straight to opening that. Trying not to rip these as I open them. I don't think I'll ever sell these, but I may want to keep the boxes. Actually, that one's just come off. Yep, glue came out. Alright. So it's got the Petronas green-ish blue. Actually, it looks more blue on my camera from the angle I'm looking at. It's a turquoise Petronas colour. But I think my camera's actually making it look more blue. I'll get this one off as well. And pop that away. Having a closer look. Little antenna poking out there. Oh yeah, I was going to say it's got an extra piece on it, but no, I think that's about right. Number 12. The silver arrows, they're now half silver, half black. Yeah, actually looks pretty good. Crowd strike on the back. Yeah. Alright, we'll put that on the turntable. Get these guys out of the way. Face these the other way, I think. Number 63, Russell. We have 63 on the previous years. The 2023 set that we had opened already. If you've seen on my channel, there's a video of that. Ones I have not picked up are the multi-set McLaren and multi-set Red Bull. They weren't at my local store. I would have had to order them in from somewhere else in the state, and hopefully I got them. But $75 each for those. What are they? 8-car set or something on a stand. I did the Ferrari. I think I'll stick with that because I'm running out of room to put all these things. I might file that one as well. Number 63. Everything's identical except the black T, as you would expect. Yeah. Try and get these on the turntable so that you can see them. The McLaren cars, black and papaya, orange really, fluoro orange. Norris on one side, Piastri on the other, like you would expect. That one's in black and that one's in papaya background. This is number 81. Got a few of these, obviously an Australian like me. We do have the background as well, which does look pretty cool. I guess you could use that background in some sort of display, small diorama, like a garage background like they do in the actual garages. Again, get that out of the way. And I'll drop that one. Don't want to lose them. Alright, pack that away. A definitely strong orange car, the papaya. Lots of sponsorship. Pretty good looking on that. And chrome. The side, the Dell. The multicolored stuff they've got on the wheels. For sponsorship, yeah, well done. And the last of the new set, and when I find more I will have them on my channel. So 2025 cars, they didn't take too long to come out. I'm guessing we'll get variants because I've already picked that up with some of the McLarens with a different race, and some of the Ferraris like Monaco race or different livery. If you know of any others that are coming out, are they going to bring out Williams? Are they going to bring out Haas? Are they going to bring out some of the missing teams? All right, Norris is a World Championship car, I guess you could call this one. Very nice. They actually look pretty good. Quite happy. I have no room for them, but I'm going to make room. We're going to have a new display unit for all of these things coming up soon. I will put those on turntable as, well, you should have already seen them as we're going along there. That's it, open and review. I think they look great. They're not too dissimilar to previous years, just with new details, slightly different shape to go with the actual car. I'm happy with them. Yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all the rest. Cheers. Bye.